and welcome to AI Virtual Academy. In this quick video, I'll give you a brief overview of how fast and easy AI Virtual Academy works. Let's get started. Log into the application, and from the site menu, you'll find all the features available inside AI Virtual Academy. Let's move to AI Teachers. In this section, we have multiple AI teachers here, like Professor Neil Vector, Dr. Alina Bond, and Mr. Alan Numeric. Let me show you an example with Professor Neil Vector physics teacher.
Hi there, I'm Professor Neil Vector, your physics teacher. Physics is full of fascinating ideas waiting to be discovered. What question or challenge can I help you with today?
Professor, can you explain what quantum physics is in simple terms?
Absolutely. I'm thrilled you're interested in quantum physics. It's a fascinating and truly mind-bending field. At its core, quantum physics is the branch of physics that deals with the tiniest particles in the universe, like atoms, electrons, and photons, which are particles of light. Unlike larger objects we encounter in our everyday lives, these tiny particles behave in ways that can seem...
Now heading to the website builder feature. There are two options here, site creation and pages. Let's move to site creation. This feature lets you launch your own AI-powered software website, where users can access live AI teachers and you get paid via PayPal. Here's how. Click Create Site. Choose your domain, subdomain or custom. Upload your logo, set your contact email, add site content, and set your pricing. Once done, your fully automated AI Virtual Academy ready. Click the link, and your live AI Virtual Academy is ready to explore. Let's now explore these key features. Payment integration. Here's where you can connect your PayPal account to start receiving payments from your AI freelancing site. Opt-in subscriber. This section shows emails collected via the form in your site's footer. These are potential leads and clients who've opted in to hear from you. Customers. This shows you a list of users who've purchased services on your site, so you can track sales and manage your clients easily. Extras. You'll also find bonuses, tutorials, and 24/7 support inside the platform. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy building your own AI Teachers team with AI Virtual Academy.